Alright, today we have a 2016 Nissan Sentra and we're going to show you how to replace the front brake pads. To begin, we're going to remove this number 14mm bolt here. You take your ratchet, you turn the bolt. And once you have the bolt, you can lift up the caliper and slide out the upper pin. Just like that, and you can pull out the brake pads. You can take out the caliper from there. Alright, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna compress the piston back into the caliper. Nissans, you have to pay attention to this little clip right here. When you put on new brake pads, this sensor attaches to that and it works like a spring. And when you're not applying the brake, that little shim will push the brake pad out. Just like that. So we're gonna put the brake pads on both sides. It has one on the inside also, so when you put in the brake pad, make sure you catch the inner little shim. And we're gonna put the caliper back into its place, and before we put it down, we're gonna put some grease on it on both outside of the brake pads. You want to put a little bit of grease, and the reason is because that grease helps it slide better, and it helps the brakes from squeaking. So you just want to take a little bit of brake grease and put it on both sides and on the inside pad. Just like that. And once you have that, you can put the caliper back in its place. Bring the caliper down, and you're gonna put the 14 back in its spot. And then you're gonna tighten the 14mm bolt. And that's it. That's how you change brake pads on a 2016 Nissan Sentra.